Guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, my name is Sudhir Mohan and thank you so much for clicking on this video. So guys, in this video we are going to talk about a very serious topic, that is why you need to follow me or why you need to connect with me on social media.
बहुत तेज हो रहा है.
No, sorry. So this is not a very serious topic, but it is one of the important topics for me, and it will help you. So first reason why you need to connect with me on social media is that yes, I need followers. Yes, I need followers. No, this is not the main reason. So yes, everyone needs followers. I also need followers, but this is not the main reason.
अब आया ना लाइन पे.
So now, on a serious note, I want to tell you that why you need to connect with me on social media. So guys, I am doing my business from a very long time. I have done many businesses. I have done e-commerce, drop shipping. Okay, I used to sell products in China, from China to USA, and that is without any inventory. Next thing is that I have done my self-defense training center business. Okay, it was going very well, and I have grown it with the help of digital marketing. Okay, other than this, I have trained people online. I have my online courses of self-defense training. Right now I am having a goal in my mind that I want to start digital marketing agency. So I am learning from one of the best people in the industry, one of the best person in the industry. He is Alok Bhartiya sir. So all the learnings that I have till today, I have got them from my experiences after investing lots of money, and all these experience that I have got from my businesses, my mistakes, my successes, I am going to give all these information, all these insights of my failures or my success or my businesses, whatever I am doing, whatever I am learning. I am giving these all the helpful information in form of videos, form of social media posts, form of different types of courses. So you need to understand that all of these experiences that I have got from my mistakes, my success, my all the work that I have done in past. So you cannot get it without investing yourself, without doing all these things, without making mistakes. But you can get this if you are learning from someone who has done all this. Okay, so I have done all this, so I can give you some insights, some information, some helpful experiences that I have got. So this is the main reason why you need to connect with me. Okay, because these experiences come from first thing, it takes a lot of time, it takes a lot of money, it takes a lot of courage to do all of these things, and the smartest people learn from the mistakes of other people. Okay, so I have done mistakes. I have done some good things also. Not all the things were mistakes. I have done some good things in my life also. So you will be able to learn all these things. You will get all the insights from myself. Okay, in my social media posts, in my YouTube, in my Instagram. So you can follow me if you want to, if you like it. Okay, and if you want to learn from a person who have done all these things. And I don't mean that I have done everything, but I have done some of the important things. And why I'm telling you, because you are watching this video. You are watching this video because you are interested in digital marketing. You are interested in business. Okay, and I have done that business. So you and me are same. So, but the experience that I have got from my past work, you will get this all through me. Okay, all through me on my social media and on my YouTube, everywhere. But for that you need to follow me. So guys, thank you so much for watching. This was just a reason that I wanted to tell you that you need to follow me or you need to connect with me on social media. This is the reason that for which you can follow me or you can connect with me on social media. So guys, below you will get all the links of my social media, and you can connect with me over there, and I am providing good, helpful, valuable tips and all the knowledge that I have. So it will be helpful for you. So thank you so much for watching, and meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Stay safe.